Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make the most delicious, super moist pumpkin cream cheese muffins. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be all listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's get baking. Alrighty guys, so we're going to begin by preheating our oven to 350 degrees. Once we have that going on, we're going to begin to sift all of our dry ingredients for our batter. Okay, so we're going to begin to sift our all-purpose flour. Our sugar. Brown sugar. Just help it with your clean hand. Okay, and lastly, we're going to sift our pumpkin pie spice, cinnamon, salt, baking powder, and baking soda. So once we have that, we're just going to give it a quick mix. Okay, so now we can mix our wet ingredients. Okay, to our bowl, we're going to add our pure pumpkin, our eggs, vegetable oil, and vanilla. And now we're just going to whisk it until everything is well combined. Okay, and once we have that, we're slowly going to add our dry ingredients. And just begin to mix it all together without over mixing your batter. Okay, and once we mix our first part, we add our second part of dry ingredients. And we mix again. Okay, and after that, we add the rest of our dry ingredients. And repeat. Alrighty, and just like that, we have our batter ready. So now we can get our muffin trays ready. Okay, so I'm going to be using my jumbo muffin tray, and I'm just going to be lining them with parchment paper. Okay, now we get ready to add our batter, and I'm going to be adding about 5 tablespoons. Okay, so once we have our muffin trays filled with our pumpkin batter, we're going to set it to the side so we can make our cream cheese filling. Okay, to our bowl, we're going to add our cream cheese and make sure that it is at room temperature. And we're just going to soften it. So that we're going to add our sugar, all-purpose flour, salt, vanilla, and milk. We're just going to combine it all together. Okay, and once we have our icing, then we're going to transfer it to our pastry bag, or you can use a Ziploc bag. So have it set on a cup, so it's easy to transfer. So I'm just going to get my bag, cut the end, push the icing down, and now get ready to pipe our muffins. Okay, so I like to put it about 2/3 in and just begin to pipe up. Just until you see the cream cheese. Just like that. Alrighty, so now they're ready to go into our oven and bake for 25 minutes. Alright guys, and after 25 minutes, we're going to check our muffins to see and make sure that they're fully cooked. So insert a pick, and once it comes out clean, they are done. And let me tell you that it smells delicious, but now we're just going to allow them to sit for about 15 minutes just to allow them to cool down for a little bit. All right guys, and once our muffins have cooled down, we're going to pull them out of the muffin tray so we can get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make, so delicious, so moist. Everyone will love them. The hardest part is just waiting, but other than that, it's going to be the easiest recipe you will make. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Good job. It's so perfect. It's not too sweet. It's enjoyable. Why buy them when you could just make them at home? So good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make some delicious pumpkin cream cheese muffins. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you like this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.